Dito kami sa Dongmun Market. Ito yung night market, guys. Tapos yung sa dulo, yun yung parang regular lang na market. Oh! Andoon si Mr. Dax. Oh, wow legs. Wow legs. Busy siya. Sine-check niya yung itinerary namin sa mga susunod na araw, kung saan kami kakain. So, ayan. Pagbutihan niya. Kasi may bayad to. Kailangan maging satisfied yung aming customer. Kita ko ng sleeper ko. Mag-crocs na lang ako kaysa mag-shoes. And si Mr. Dax, ayan siya. And ako, nagpalit din ako ng damit ko lang. Ito is wind stopper siya. So, para kung malamig sa labas, at least may ganito ako. How about you? You're not going to use your jacket? Not cold? Okay. So, bye-bye. Bye-bye muna. Bababa kami kasi pupunta na kami doon sa night market. You buy the key. Okay. Magkikita-kita kami ng customer namin sa ibaba, sa may lobby. Doon na kami magkikita. Uy!
다음 안내까지 계속 직진입니다.
Oh!
This is look at this is
Ah, okay.
that's it.
Wow!
When the key like this,
Wow! Nandito kami sa Dongmun Market. Ito yung night market, guys. Tapos yung sa dulo, yun yung parang regular lang na market. Oh! Ng burger sa McDonald's. Hindi na kami nag-dinner kasi medyo busog pa naman. So, konting burger lang para hindi din magutom mamayang gabi. Kasi di ba pag ngayon busog ka, pero mamaya mga 11, 10 p.m. bigla kang magugutom. So, magbo-burger lang kami. And yung customer namin ay nandun na sila sa room nila. Patulog na sila kasi pagod din. Nakakabingi yung elevator. Nasa 31 floor kasi kami. Yung McDonald's ay nasa harap lang nitong nasa tawid lang nitong hotel. So, okay lang siya. Wow, what's inside? Did you go there? Second casino?
I cannot go inside.
Why? Not allowed?
Only allow the foreign.
Foreigner? Ah! Korea not allowed? Oh! Really? Yung isang customer...
In Korea, the allowed the casino is only the one place.
Oo.
Pyeongchang.
Pyeongchang? Pyeongchang? At the last time the...
Gangwon-land.
Ha?
Gangwon-land. Only the allowed Korean domestic casino is only one place.
Oo.
Another the hotel in casino is only allowed the foreigner.
Okay. Kanina nagtatanong yung customer namin, si Maria, sabi niya, bakit daw may casino dito? Buti allowed daw. Kasi pagkakaalam niya, bawal dito sa South Korea, di ba? Now alam ko na. Dito pala sa casino ng Hyatt is lang siya. Allowed lang for foreigners. Wow! kami sa E-Mart. Titignan daw namin kung pwede, may pwede kaming mabili. Pag wala kaming mabili, then pupunta kami ni McDonald's. Wow! Kahanap kami ng pwedeng makain. But this one, not good.
How about it?
I don't want that.
How about wings? 7,001.
But it's many.
No?
How can you eat that?
You can eat all. You can, the thing, I can eat all.
Okay, it's up to you.
10,001.
Hmm.
With what?
So, kain tayo ng chicken. Wow. This is soy sauce chicken, right?
Yeah, soy sauce chicken.
Soy sauce chicken. Well, book, can you get eat everything?
Even though the problem.
Mm. You sure? Yes, get there.
I bring the wet tissue.
Mm. Inside there. Mm. Ang laki ng ano nila, ng wings chicken nila. Ang
Where do you
taba.
pull out the wet tissue?
I don't pull out. It's inside there. Yeah. Before you eat,
Delicious?
try. Mhm. Mhm.
Good.
This chicken wings is very. This is chicken wings or leg?
Chicken wings.
Mm. I need to take a bath because tomorrow I cannot take a bath.
I also.
It's more lazy to take a bath in the morning. Kailangan namin maligo ngayong gabi kasi bukas medyo maaga-aga din kami gigising. Nakakatamad, di ba? Na gumising ng maaga tapos maliligo. Mas okay maligo sa gabi. Tapos bukas hindi ka na maligo. Kinagabihan ulit. Lalo na ako mga buhok ko. Kailangan mag-dryer pa. Tamad ako mag-dryer. What is the name of this? This is soy sauce. Masarap siya. Masarap sana to sa sa beer. Kaso, ayoko mag-beer ngayon. Kasi may lakad bukas. This is fat. I mean fat. There's a lot of meat. Yeah, so this is chicken mukbang. Did you bring our Gcash cell phone?
Mm.
Okay. So,